Hello children, how are you all? Hope this weekend went well for all of you. Uh, this is Disha ma'am and yes, we are going to learn English. As you can see on the screen, the textbook of English of class 4 that you already have, right? Okay, usme one by one we'll start. We have already started revising from the revision worksheet, and we have also completed chapter number 1, 2 and 3 in the revision worksheet. So today what we will do is we'll start with revision we'll start in revision worksheet chapter number 4, right? I'll explain and you have to write it. Clear? Chalo. So without wasting time, let us directly move to the revision worksheet. Get ready with your pencil and your revision worksheet. Hello, this is Disha ma'am and yes, we are going to learn English. Now, as you have seen, last week we have completed revision worksheet, chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Let us first have a look on what chapter number 1, 2, 3 had to tell us. For chapter number 3, Amazing Science, there were chapters, there were question answers describing a person. Kids, make sure that these question answers are not to be asked in the paper, right? टर्म 1 के जो लिटरेचर पोर्शन है 6 to 10 के, वही क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आपको मगअप करने हैं. Writing portion, yes, describing a person. If you can see, describe any 2 personalities of your choice. So describing the person, describing the picture. Email writing, letter writing, that I would be asking. So you need to prepare more for writing portion. Clear? Okay, chalo. Now the next question was safety rules. This is something that we have experienced in our home. I have asked that question, that write some safety rules that you follow at your home. So that is very easy because we follow so many safety rules at our home. So you have to write a couple of safety rules which you follow at your home, right? Chaliye, now let us begin today chapter number 4, that is inspiring people. Let us recall कि chapter number 4 में क्या था. Chapter number 4 had told us about an amazing personality who was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, right? We had talked so many things about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a famous scientist. He was working with ISRO. He was the one who built up ISRO, right? And जैसे मिशन मंगल मूवी में हमने देखा है, डॉक्टर कलाम को बच्चे बहुत पसंद थे. He used to create experiments of science regarding the कन्वेंशनल एक्टिविटीज़. आई मीन जो सब बोलते थे कि नहीं हो पाता है, तो वो डॉक्टर कलाम ट्राई करते थे टिल ही गेट सक्सीडेड, राइट? एंड दिस चैप्टर टोल्ड अस अबाउट हिज बैकग्राउंड ऑल्सो. बैकग्राउंड में मतलब व्हेन ही वाज, वेयर ही वाज बोर्न, हाउ वाज हिज फैमिली, हाउ डिड ही वर्क. तो उसमें हमको क्या सीखने को मिलता है चिल्ड्रन इज़ दैट ही केम फ्रॉम अ वेरी वेरी पुअर फैमिली, right? He lived in Rameshwaram. His first job was to sell newspapers, right? He was a newspaper boy. From selling that newspaper, he became the president of India. Yes, my dear children, उन्होंने कितना अपनी ज़िंदगी में मेहनत किया होगा, तब जाके ये designation उनको मिला होगा. So you all have immense potentialities into your work, but then you need to revise them, you need to tackle them, right? Chalo, so this was all about APJ Abdul Kalam. Now you have to read once the chapter and उसमें timelines हैं, so you need to go through that timelines, right? Chalo, now take up your pencils and start with the question answers. First one, Dr. Kalam often asked his students, how do you want to be remembered? To inspire them to become the person they want to be. What would have been your answer? Yes, very interesting question. जब भी आपको कुछ पूछते हैं, one question, how do you want to be remembered? आप क्यों चाहते हो लोग आपको किस तरह से रिमेंबर करें? कोई आप में से बहुत नोटी होता है, कोई बहुत ब्रिलियंट होता है. यू ऑल हैव डिफरेंट प्लान्स फॉर योर लाइफ. सो माई क्वेश्चन टू यू इज़ दैट हाउ डू यू वॉन्ट टू बी रिमेंबर्ड. लोग आपको कैसे याद करें, वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू बी, दैट इज़ द बॉटम लाइन ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन, राइट. सो वॉट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन यू वॉन्ट टू बी और वॉट एक्टिविटी यू वॉन्ट टू डू, किस लोग आपको याद करें या लोग आपको पहचानें. सो हियर यू हैव टू फिल अप योर आंसर ओनली, विच इज़ वन एक्टिविटी दैट यू वॉन्ट टू डू कि लोग आपको याद करें. Suppose if I want to become a doctor, right now if I take my example, I am a teacher and I want to make such a curriculum where students are not having botheration of writing, right. So this is what my dream is about. So here you need to mention your dream, what you want to become, and either of the activities that you want to do, right. So that would be your homework. Second one, make a biographical anecdote of APJ Abdul Kalam. One example is done for you. This is again in the textbook. It is given in the textbook, front page of chapter number 4. The first page is having on the left hand side corner, it is having the timeline of APJ Abdul Kalam. So what you will do is you will write any 5-6 points of his anecdotal. This is known as anecdotal. मीन्स डे वाइज ईयर वाइज आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई है कि ये साल में उन्होंने ये किया था, राइट. सो दिस वुड बी योर होमवर्क. यू हैव टू मेक अ biographical anecdote of APJ Abdul Kalam, which is already given in the textbook, right. चलिए, open the page of that textbook and start writing the anecdotal. This kind of question can also be asked in the examination, but I'll be giving the points and you have to write the whole sentence. See, 1931, he was born on 15th October 1931 to a Tamil family in Rameshwaram. This is one example. Such ways you can write 5-6 sentences about him. When did he became a president? When did he started selling the newspaper? When did he invented the first rocket? This all is there in the textbook. So you have to write this. Next, suppose you have to interview the personality who inspires you the most. Form 3 questions you would like to ask him or her. Write that questions. This is very creative activity. Suppose आपकी famous personality, I mean the person who inspires you. Suppose I want to meet Narendra Modi. Right now I have to frame 3 questions what I would ask to Narendra Modi if I'll meet him, right. If I become the right. So if I suppose I want to meet Narendra Modi, what would be my 3 questions that I would ask him? In the same way, you have to mention your personality's name, means which personality do you want to meet. And if you will meet him, what questions will you ask them, right. So here you have to write the questions of that which you will ask. Clear?